just so far the dollar index is going as expected from this weekend's market review. We're expecting lower prices. The objective for the week is 92.70. Anything after that is bonus, okay? So we're still working towards that target. So yeah, we're going down. Now on a daily basis, right? This has now become a bearish order block, okay? Because now we've closed. If this was to close as it is today, like this, so any pullback into here, right? I'd be looking to get, well, short the dollar, or if it doesn't pull back, well, if then I would use the you know how I use the weekly open strategy? I'll use the daily open strategy: open, high, low, close, get above it. As soon as we get back below it and goes to below the open, then start depending on what structure we got, we short it. Because sometimes if it's a really weak market, it won't pull back up, okay? But if it closes like this, ideal scenario, retest into that, then look to play for 92.70, okay? That's that. Now let's see what's so on the radar right now. What I'm looking at is Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is one of my favorites to go forward. So I took the long here. I'll explain this in the live trade video, so no need to go over that again. So going forward, I've still got the same target. Now we are above the weekly open here, so this is the weekly open, and we've sat here, okay? We've sat here above the weekly open. I'm finding support. So what happened was when I was short,
Hello.
Don't take your fucking thingy bob off, man. Why is someone unmuted themselves? Mate, if you unmute yourself, I'm gonna have to kick you. But so we came down, and as it broke this, I closed my short because I thought we were gonna go lower, okay? But it didn't. It went back above. As soon as it got back above, I entered long again earlier on in the day, and I rolled it up. And it was a scalp. It was a tight stop. I got about 1.5, 2 hours out of that, but that's done. So I was talking to my private feed members, and I said, be patient. We want to see an impulse. So we know that this down move here, we are still in a key level, right? The weekly open. We took out this low. If it rallies up, breaks this high, that's a break in market structure, at least on a lower time frame, okay? So go to the H1. I'm seeing this as, it's not a clear impulse move, but it's enough to work with for me right now. We've got this down candle that led to the move up, so the minimum area to buy would be here with a tight risk reward 10 pip stop loss here, okay? Now if I'm wrong and this breaks, then obviously I'll be looking for at least here to get on board. If I get bullish price action, then I'm still bullish this. The only way I'd get bearish this, or not look to hunt longs at least, is if we break this level. So the way it was looking to me, I think we're gonna get a pop up now, because on the lower time frame we came down, we took out this low, pushed up, and it's starting to push higher now as we speak. This is why I'm doing the live session earlier. That's that. Now euro dollar, how do I want to get on board? Now things are starting to move now, so whether we get it, I don't know. But if, like I said, same with the dollar index, if it closes like this right now, it's the opposite to the dollar index. I want to retest into here, and I'm going to be targeting here as target 1, and then we'll start seeing as price pushes. But I'm just targeting day trade targets for now. Personally, I think we can start ripping a lot higher, but we'll have to see. Cable. So cable, what I'm looking for is a move down into here. So this really surprised me, but we got to go with the market. We got this consolidation here, right? Naturally, there's going to be stops resting here. Very clean highs here. Big stops, easy stops resting here, even as a day trade. So what I'm looking for, if we had this high here, okay, it's used previous high, used as support, rallied away, shows what buyers have stepped in because we broke this high. So any dip back down into here, I'll be buying here. To get a tighter entry, I'll wait for a lower time frame PA. But if I was to buy a limit order, I'd buy here, stop loss under there, and targeting here as a day trade. Not bad risk reward here. Whatever it does after that, I don't give a fuck. But here, I'm targeting there. So I think we get something like this here. Okay, everyone clear with me so far? Dollar yen. Now dollar yen was a beauty. Perfect Monday high, Monday low range. As soon as it broke out the range, now you could have accepted it, taken this as just a breaker here. Down counter led to the move up. That was one. That was a confluence. But I waited for the snap above. As soon as it got back below here, there was many shorting opportunities. You could have done it as how you wanted to, but this was perfect example. Had our targets marked out here, short-term targets. We don't need, reach forever. But as long as your high probability target marked out, you could have trailed something off. But this was a target. It worked out beautifully, perfectly. That's done there. Going forward, I think it's gonna next target is gonna be here. Then obviously these lows. So I'll be waiting for price to come into here. Right. The fact is we've moved below the Monday low, okay? So last week it was ranging hardcore. When it got below the Monday low, it was pushed right back in the range. Notice what's happened now. As soon as it popped up, took out Monday high, it's broken below. So I'm expecting, now that it's stayed below it, I'm expecting it to stay below it. I'll be watching this here. This up candle, I'll be watching here. Any weakness in Asia, I'll be looking to short this. Target 1 there, target 2 there. Clear? Well, this is the thing. I think there's some news events coming out, and it may mean we missed the trade, but can't do much about that. But so yeah, if we do get a pullback into this, this is where I'll be looking for bullish price action. Okay, and I'll look to get long. Is everyone clear with that? There's news coming out right now, so it may get there way before tomorrow, but we'll see what tomorrow brings anyway. Okay, and as price unfolds, I'll obviously, if things change, I'll post my charts anyway as things change. But we can't really do much about this right now. So I'm gonna stop the recording and take any questions. Okay, let me stop the recording.